Hey, what's up, guys? This is John Spear Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a good day. Um, so on your journeyman test in most states, you have this question, and if you're a commercial electrician, it seems to confuse the crap out of you guys. So, um, decided to put together a little slide to try to help out. All right, so this is usually done on your hands-on portion of the test, and it's done with alligator clips that you basically connect the wires to little screws on these devices, being the transformer, the front, rear, sometimes garage, door chime, and the bell system. So um, let's just kind of go through it real quick. So you start off, you know, in electrical, you do this anyway, just to get your right frame of mind, but you start at the source and then work your way out. Just like you would do in the field, you would start at the panel and work your way back to see if there is any issues inside that line. So we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to start with the fuse. So note when you're taking the test, you have to note the orientation of the line and load side of this fuse. It's going to be, sometimes the instructors are kind of weird and they put it upside down to kind of confuse you, you know, but just know that there's a line and a load side and you have to put them on the right things. So in this case, this is going to be our power source. It's going to be on a 2-screw system where it's going to say H and N, meaning hot and neutral. So you're going to basically take your hot, attach it to the line side of the fuse. Make sure it's the line side of the fuse. Take it to that. Sorry, quick note. So the blue cables, they should be consistent and constant throughout the entire process. The red ones might vary depending on the specific um, scenario that they give you, but the blues should be consistent throughout the entire thing. Okay, back to it. So your 120 or your hot line, whatever you want to call it, goes to the line side of the fuse. And then out of the line is your load, and from the load goes to the black wire on the transformer. Your neutral just goes straight to the neutral on the transformer. Pretty simple. Nothing crazy there. So that means we have covered this little area of what to do first. Okay, on the transformer, there's going to be a set of neutrals and a set of hots. So starting with the neutrals, we are going to be going to basically the common and the frame. Okay, that never really changes. You're going to be going to the common on the door chime and the frame on pretty much every scenario that they give you. That shouldn't change. Okay, outside is going to be your hots. So this will be your front doorbell. This is going to be your rear doorbell. You're going to come out with your hots to the bottom of each doorbell and make an alligator clip at the bottom, make an alligator clip at the bottom. So that's your front and rear. Remember, this might change, but you know, the garage doorbell is always like a random curveball that they throw your way. So this is a complete optional. If this isn't here, if the garage doorbell is not here, then do not do any of this. Okay, this is like a total option. Maybe it might be there. I drew it in because sometimes it is there, sometimes it's not. All right, so we came in with our hots. bottom side of the front and rear doorbell. And out of that, we're going to come to, and this might change depending on whatever, but typically it'll say go to the front door. This one's, this scenario is a little bit more common where the load side of the doorbell will go to the front, and then sometimes we'll tell you to hit the bell. So you would basically attach to the front and the coil on the bell, and that would basically give you a ding and a ring, basically, in a nutshell. So, and then out of the rear, it'll make a different sound than the front, so you know that it's the rear, it's the back door. So sometimes they'll kind of throw a little curveball and say, hey, make this go to the buzzer. Hey, make the rear doorbell operate the front chime for whatever reason. So you just got to pay attention. The garage door is always kind of the little whatever, the rando one. But if you get it, the hot will basically go to the bottom of the garage doorbell, come out, and then typically it tells you it'll go to the buzzer coil on the bell scenario. So this is my quick little Journeyman test doorbell question deal. If you guys have any questions that I failed to answer for you guys, please let me know. Be happy to answer. Just another quick note. I don't, sometimes the wire, it depends where you're at. You can ask your journeymans that are in your local area. But sometimes it does matter which color you put where. So just FYI. I'll be doing a whole series of these little journeyman questions that pop up from time to time. And if there's a particular question that you guys have, please let me know. If you guys are watching this on a smartphone, just go ahead and take a little snap of this picture, a little screenshot, so it can help you out in the future. Please share this with anyone that's looking to be a journeyman. This particular question is on the New Mexico journeyman's test. But I'm more than likely it's going to be another test. But please like and subscribe. We'll make more videos for you guys. And hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to check us out on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. We're trying to get on everything. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share, please. Hope you guys have a good day.